Menards sells an impact driver that matches Milwaukee M18's torque spec for $80 less. Not a close approximation. Not a tool that gets part way there. The Masterforce Boost 20-volt impact driver generates 2,400 inch-pounds of torque, and the Milwaukee M18 Fuel impact driver, described by Pro Tool Reviews as the tool that other impact drivers are measured against, generates 2,000 inch-pounds. The Menards tool has 400 more inch-pounds than the Milwaukee benchmark. The kit with battery and charger costs $149 at Menards before the 11% mail-in rebate. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel kit costs $279 at Home Depot. And the manufacturer that built the Menards tool is already planning what comes next. What is coming is the part Milwaukee should be paying attention to. That comparison is not accidental and not a coincidence of timing. To understand why Masterforce's specifications have converged with Milwaukee's at a price point Milwaukee structurally cannot match, you have to understand what Masterforce actually is and who builds it. Masterforce is the house brand of Menards, the $13 billion privately held home improvement chain that has banned Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, and Ryobi from its shelves because it refused to honor minimum advertised pricing agreements. Menards does not manufacture Masterforce. It contracts manufacturing to Chervon, a Chinese OEM that also makes Ego outdoor power equipment, Skill cordless tools, and previously made Flex, the brand that Lowe's spent 4 years and $1 billion trying to make competitive with Milwaukee before clearing it from shelves in late 2025. Chervon is one of the 10 largest power tool OEMs in the world. When Menards tells Chervon to build a Masterforce Boost impact driver with 2,400 inch-pounds of torque, Chervon has the engineering infrastructure to build it. And it does. The Masterforce Boost 20-volt impact driver is not the only Masterforce tool whose specifications exceed or match Milwaukee equivalents. The Masterforce ultra-compact brushless drill generates 1,850 RPM and 525 inch-pounds of torque. The Milwaukee M18 compact brushless drill driver tops out at 1,800 RPM and 500 inch-pounds. The Menards drill is faster and generates more torque than the Milwaukee compact. The Masterforce kit with 2 batteries and a charger costs $99. The Milwaukee compact equivalent at Home Depot costs significantly more. Pro Tool Reviews assessed the Masterforce Ultra Compact drill and concluded it was one of the most capable compact drills on the market, even when compared against professional brands. They noted it outperforms the Milwaukee M18 Compact and the Makita Subcompact on headline specifications. That assessment was published by a publication that covers professional tools for a contractor audience, not a consumer review site looking for a budget recommendation. Here is where the story stops being about one tool and starts being about what Menards is building toward. In 2026, Masterforce is expanding to an 80-volt outdoor power platform. The 20-volt ecosystem already covers drills, impact drivers, circular saws, angle grinders, reciprocating saws, oscillating multi-tools, and outdoor equipment. The 80-volt expansion takes Masterforce into the high-voltage outdoor category, the same territory as Milwaukee's MX Fuel commercial outdoor platform and Ego's 82-volt commercial lineup. An 80-volt Masterforce platform built by Chervon, the same OEM that manufactures Ego's outdoor power equipment, would give Menards a high-voltage outdoor power line with the same manufacturing pedigree as the most powerful battery outdoor equipment available at any retailer. That is not a hypothetical. Chervon already builds at that voltage level. The question is, what specifications Menards will commission and at what price point the 11% rebate system will deliver the effective net cost to the customer. And then, in September of 2024, something happened at Menards that nobody had anticipated. Amazon's Denali brand, manufactured by Chervon as Amazon brand Denali by Skill and compatible with Skill's 20-volt battery system, appeared on Menards shelves. A Denali rotary hammer kit that Amazon itself was selling for $117 was available at Menards for $49.99 after the 11% rebate. Tool Guide, which documented the arrival, noted that Menards was selling the Amazon-branded tool for less than half of Amazon's own price. What this created, briefly, was a Menards tool floor stocking Masterforce, Skill, and Amazon's Denali, 3 brands from the same Chervon manufacturing infrastructure, on the same shelf, at the same store, with the 11% rebate applying to all of them simultaneously. 1 OEM, 3 brand labels, 1 store. Prices that the individual brands would never be allowed to advertise through any authorized retail channel. Milwaukee still has something Masterforce does not, and it is important to name it precisely rather than pretend the comparison is complete. The Milwaukee M18 platform supports over 300 compatible tool and accessory SKUs, job site radios, heated garments, wet-dry vacuums, pipe threaders, drain cleaning equipment, and trade-specific tools that no Menards house brand currently approaches. That ecosystem depth is not a marketing claim. It is the reason contractors lock into M18. Once a crew has 15 tools on the same battery, switching platforms costs more than the price difference between brands. The M18 system is also backed by Milwaukee's service network, distributor relationships, and the professional trade loyalty that has been built through job site performance over 20 years. Masterforce has a 3-year over-the-counter warranty at Menards locations. Milwaukee has a tool service infrastructure that reaches professional contractors in every U.S. market. What the Masterforce Boost line has done is not replace that ecosystem. What it has done is close the specification gap to the point where the question of whether the Milwaukee premium is earned has to be answered with something more specific than Milwaukee is better. When a Menards shopper stands in front of a Masterforce Boost kit at $149 and knows that the torque specification exceeds the Milwaukee M18 Fuel at nearly half the price, the answer to "is Milwaukee worth $279" has to be specific about what that extra $130 actually buys. For a residential DIYer or a homeowner who will use the drill 15 times a year and never needs a heated jacket or a pipe threader, the honest answer may be that it buys brand recognition, an orange case, and access to an ecosystem they will never fully utilize. For the professional whose business depends on a platform that serves 30 tools across every trade need a crew generates in a year, the Milwaukee ecosystem justification is real and documented. But that professional is not the customer Masterforce was built for. Masterforce was built for the person who buys a drill, a circular saw, and an impact driver at Menards, brings them home, and uses them until they wear out. For that person, the specification convergence between Masterforce Boost and Milwaukee M18 is the story. And the 80-volt outdoor platform coming in 2026 is the next chapter. If this changes how you think about the next tool purchase you make and what the specification on the label is actually worth, subscribe. The gap between premium tool brands and the tools built by the same factories for other stores is closing faster than the price tags are being updated to reflect it.